What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Ford Era. You got me, Solomon, here today, and we are going to show you how to build a wood cart to move your cab around on. So the frame on this Dentside is actually off of some bump side. It's two-wheel drive, it's an F350, and we don't need it. So we just want the cab, and we want to be able to work on it and move it around the shop easily. So we got some 2x4s right over here, and what we're going to be doing is making, for the first top square, it needs to be 8 feet long and 6 feet wide. So what we're going to do is we're going to screw these together. I'm going to channel my inner Sam Green and John Malakey, start doing some woodworking, and we're going to show you how we put it together. So here we go. Now it's time to get squirrely. Final piece. So now we need to cut 2 of these to 6 feet. So Sam, you want to go grab the Sawzall and a fresh blade, and we'll get to business.
All right, measuring this out 6 feet.
Now that we got that, what we're gonna do is screw this all together. So watch us do it. Well, I thought we were recording that whole time, but we weren't. So screwed it all together, put in that cross brace just so that way it can't move side to side. And now we're gonna be screwing the casters on. So we just got these at Northern Tool. So we're just gonna screw these in, call it a day. Just finished putting all the casters on. Now we're gonna flip this thing over, go get the neighbor's forklift, set the body on it, and should be good. This is gonna be sitting really low. We wanted it really close to the ground. That way it makes it easier for when we want to work on it. So we're going to flip it over. I'm going to grab the forklift and we'll see you guys. Well, Simi has to go, so we're going to put the body onto the little cart tomorrow. We'll see you then. Welcome back to the video. So right now we are going to be taking the cab and setting it on the railing, and we're going to be using our A-frame because some and all of the figures that have forklifts aren't here. So this ought to work. We'll see you guys once we get the cab in here and start this. All right, so we got no rain. We're gonna fire that thing up. I'm gonna give you a time lapse of us cutting this chassis up. All right, well, the rain started again. We got some of it done. We're gonna go inside, wait for the rain to stop, and then continue cutting. We'll see you then. While we're waiting for the rain to stop, figure we clean up the firewall a little bit more.
Some old guy somewhere is like, no, don't ruin that factory harness. I could have used that.
Get the front out. Now, pull the back out. Now the back glass is in good condition, so we're just gonna take it out nicely. All right, one piece of glass still intact. Well, the battery died, but we took off a bunch of the stuff that was on the firewall. Simi's in the middle of getting out the heater core, just getting it as clean as we can. So there's a little update. Stopped raining. We're going to continue cutting. Well, the battery died again, but everything got cut up. Front, got the I-beams out, gonna give those to John. Got the back all cut up. So there we go. And then the cab itself, we vacuumed it again, got it all nice. The whole thing is stripped, nothing left inside. Got a whole bunch of stuff to figure out on it, but at least now we know what we're working with. We need to clean that corner. We're going to be sticking it right over there for now, and that's pretty much it. We're going to be cleaning up now, so if you guys enjoyed the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up. It really helps. If you have any questions, comments, drop them down below. If you like this type of content, consider subscribing to the channel. And as always, if you want to get some cool merch, I got these hats, shirts, stickers, keychains, all types of stuff, FordEra.com. We'll catch you in the next one.